Now, Honda Cars Philippines has been pretty quiet this year, but for the month of October, they are celebrating in a big way. One, because it's their 30th anniversary, and two, they're coming out with this. Now, this is the recently refreshed 2021 CR-V, and we're pretty excited to take a look around it. So what's new for 2021, you ask? Well, the first thing you probably noticed is the color. It's called Cosmic Blue, and it's reserved for just two variants of the CR-V. This, the range-topping 1.6 SX all-wheel drive, and the 1.6 S two-wheel drive. Another thing that's new for 2021 are these. If you saw it, it's called the sequential turn signals, and that's also another thing new here. Another thing is this slit by the grille, and the other noticeable change for the front is this, the new bumper garnish and the corners. So that's the front done. Let's head over to the side. Now from the side, the 2021 CR-V comes with new 18-inch alloy wheels. Its new design features a 5-spoke look. And this look is shared with the 4x2 1.6S ID Tech. Now this is the top of the line model, so it comes with a panoramic sunroof. And most CR-V models also come with what's called Lane Watch, a camera equipped on the passenger side mirror that when you signal right, it shows the display from your infotainment system. So that's covered from the side. What about the rear? Now the rear may look like a familiar sight for current gen CR-V owners, but these are new for 2021. It's the turn signal light and the reverse lights. They've smoked it out. And also, the rear garnish for the bumper is a little bit more prominent. Now this is the all-wheel drive model, of course, so it does come with an all-wheel drive badge over at the other end of the tailgate. So that's the entire exterior covered. Let's head on inside. Inside, what's changed are the door panels, well, the wood panels rather, and they have a more glossier finish. Also, the buttons on the steering wheel have been redesigned a little bit, but the most significant addition to the 2021 CR-V is this, a wireless charger. So you simply plop down your phone and it'll charge your phone. Also, they have moved the USB ports from inside the Scubby to just below the gear selector. Now the gear selector is still the same push button affair for the diesel models, and the gas still sticks to the conventional mechanical gear selector. Now speaking of the cubby holes, Honda kept this smart sliding tray so you can constantly adjust your cubby hole, and the armrest can go fore and aft. Now front driver's seat is 8-way adjustable power, and the passenger side seat is 4-way adjustable. Now for those who have to carry more passengers in the CR-V, you'll be delighted that Honda Cars Philippines kept the 7-seat configuration for all diesel models. This top-of-the-line all-wheel drive included. Now for the infotainment system, it's pretty much carried over from the current CR-V, and yes, it still has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, much to the delight of most technophiles. So we're done with all the interior bits. What's under the hood? Now for the engine, and it's the now familiar 1.6-liter ID Tech unit. It makes 120 horsepower and 300 Newton meters of torque, and the figures are the same for the 4x2 model. Now given that we've seen figures of about 20 kilometers per liter, we're expecting about the same for this facelift model. And speaking of which, the diesels shift with a 9-speed automatic, while the gas engines stick to a continuously variable transmission. And that, folks, is the 2021 Honda CR-V. Now, if you're in the market right now for a compact crossover, maybe you should hold it off a little bit longer and give this one a test drive. After all, the CR-V has been a firm favorite in its segment for over 20 years now, and we're expecting this one to still be the same. Now, this has been Anton Andres from AutoIndustriya.com. If you enjoyed this preview, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook as well. And also, do follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and thank you for watching.